Okay, take 5. First thing, we're going to watch this one. See that right there? M52 French mess kit. Alright, he has one there. We'll tilt it so I can see. There he is. Please check out his channel. And there we go. That's the French kit right there. Okay. Now we'll stop it right there. Basically, it's a copy of, whoa. It's a copy of a British one or Dutch one. Yeah. And lo and behold, I have one. Made in France. Okay. Now, over the years, I used it and stuff. And they have a similar to this one without the D-ring. And a handle. A smaller one inside. Now, it has a serving tray. And usually the other one, oh, shoot. It goes like this. And then you have the third one in here as a cup. Now, this one's the tray. And you get your food like this. See? And you get your hot stuff on this side, and you get your cool stuff on this side. If it's too hot or too heavy, what you do is go like that, and you got your food all set. A trick, what they used to do is put a stick right here, from here, you see the indentation, to here, and that'll hold your tray fairly stiff. So you have hot food and cold food. When you reach the table, you set it up like this, and easy as pie, you eat dinner. Alright, most of the time I don't use the little third one that looks like this from inside. I use the eating tray as a lid and a cover, also to eat out of. And you can tell it's been used pretty well. And most of the time, if you see the inside of this, and the outside, I burnt the hell out of it and scrubbed the hell out of it. I used it for putting on coals, not open flame coals. Now, you see like a little Isbit or alcohol heater, that'll work fine, but these are aluminum. The steel one, exact same as the M52, but they're a lot heavier. These are about maybe a pound and a quarter if you add the other part to it. Not that bad. And plus, it hangs on the hinge. Okay, they do have pouches, but most people carry it like this or inside the pack. And it's fairly easy. And I use this, wash it, clean it, not a problem. Okay? And like I said, if you look at that, made in France. M52. Now let's go back to Kimmo. If I get this up. Okay. That's basically the size of it. And you can tell where it is. Right there, except mine picked it up better. Yep, we all did that. And it's pretty well deep. It's about almost 2 inches. Almost. And let's see if he pops it open. Give it a second, folks. He's telling about the history of it. Go check out his channel. And we did that on mines. And there you go. the third one, which is the cup. I can tell that's practically brand new because it isn't, and also I think that one's steel. Yeah, that one's steel. You can tell the difference between the two. Because you've seen mine. All right. Okay. So please check out his channel. He'll explain more on the details of it. It only lasted about a year, about 2 years, and was in service for a while because you know the French. We'll put that away. It's a very good design. When I do a little hiking or camping or whatever I need to do, it goes with me. And I have a regular GI cup with lid. So I got everything pretty well set up. And it's easy to take, it's flatter, plus I can store other stuff inside the tin. Sometimes they make survival kits out of it. When I bought this, it was about $5. Now I hear people say on eBay it's like 60 to 20 to 25 to 30. That's a lot of money. I bought this like 20 years ago. And I'll see you later, folks. You have a nice day. This one's a short, and I don't mark my ones with short. Next one I think is 14, and that's the end of the You're on the List. I have another short where we're going to cover books I like to read or I recommend to you. And I'll catch you later, folks. You have a nice day.